Have you ever felt that the smallest details can really bring the outfit together? I'm Brittany with WTI, and I am loving these handkerchief pack by Leinuosen. They come in a pack of 200. These are cotton handkerchiefs. The edges are stitched, and they are simply perfect for what I have planned for them. I wanted to scrunch them up into different designs and put some rubber bands on them to try tie-dyeing. So you can just strategically place your rubber bands, get a few done, and now the fun begins. You can just add whatever colors that you want. I used acrylic paint mixed with water, and it was so much fun unraveling it for the big reveal. I did a bunch of different color options. I'm so happy with the results. It was not only so much fun, but also beautiful in the end. After that, I sprayed both sides with fabric guard and ironed them to seal in the colors. These took the dyes so well, that's so vibrant, and really offers that special something to any outfit. And that's my point of view.